We recognize that you have other Python tutorials that you could be watching. We thank you for choosing ours. How does that relate to this video? Well, you'll find out. Sometimes you have multiple possible outcomes to a decision, and an if and an else just don't cover it all. So what if we took the best of an if statement and the best of an else statement and smushed them together into a brand new keyword that we like to call Elif? Let's take it for a test drive. So if we look back at our code from last time, what if we want to say oink oink if the name happens to equal pig? Well, that's where we would use an elif statement. The elif statement comes after the if statement and before the else statement. So we'd write elif name equals pig colon, and then on the next line indent and write whatever we want to print, like oink oink. Now you can actually add as many elif statements as you want. So that way you can cover every single possible option, and then the else is kind of any other situation will be covered by the else. So that's kind of the default value if nothing else is matched. It's important to think about the fact that it's possible that multiple conditions in your if-elif statements will be true. For instance, what if the condition in your if statement is true and a condition further down your elif statements? Well, only one will be executed, and that will be whichever one comes first in the code. So it's a good thing to think about the order of your if-elif conditions. I recommend going from the most specific to the most general. Like for instance, you could say if the name equals Lenny might be earlier on, and then if the name contains an L could be later on, because that's more general.